Hey friends, we're having a table lamp repaired today. A child uses it, so it's covered in Play-Doh. The USB port was ripped out, and it fell inside the lamp. I'm going to disassemble it now and install a new USB port. Remove 4 screws. Here's the broken USB cable. Now let's remember how the wires are soldered so we don't mix them up during reassembly. Let's look at the soldering quality. It's perfect. Here's the mount to the case. The pads on the front are torn off, so I superglued them on the back. Now we can assemble and test it. I connected the charging cable and the indicator light came on, indicating the lamp was charging. Now I pressed the touch button and saw the lamp change brightness. Everything worked. And all that was left was to assemble the lamp.